Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the phone's firmware and making a quick backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging only if you plan to use a PC in the process. Next, open Settings, go to Utilities, and tap System Cloner to launch the tool. You do this because System Cloner creates an isolated workspace. It preserves the main profile. Make sure battery is above 50% and Wi-Fi is stable before proceeding. Now configure the cloning options carefully. Choose whether you need a full clone versus app and data only. A full clone duplicates system settings and apps, which takes longer. Then select Target Storage, use Internal Partition for performance, SD for space. Next, assign account profiles and privacy choices so the clone space has correct access. Once configured, review selected apps and permissions. If you're using a PC, confirm the device is recognized and file transfer is enabled before you hit Start. Finish by monitoring progress and not interrupting power or connectivity. Interruptions can corrupt the clone. When it completes, reboot into the cloned profile and verify apps, accounts, and network access. Make adjustments in Settings, right arrow System Cloner if permissions or shortcuts need fixes. If something goes wrong, clear the cache partition, ensure sufficient storage, then retry. Otherwise, restore from the backup you made at the start. Remember, persistence and methodical checks solve most cloning errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.